Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? So this is an urgent video for all holder because the crypto market, you can see here this time all crypto markets especially very badly fails down. So therefore I want to share you with this information of Pundi X to in upcoming days Pundi X is moving up or fails down. So let's start this brand video. I request you, my brother, please click our subscribe button, subscribe this channel, press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing us. Okay, my friends, come to the point. If you could see here this time, my friend, the last 7 days chart is already open it on the screen and they gone straightly, not a big falls and not a big jump, but here is the start of month. You can see here they take a very long jump, completely gone in the straight, my friend. But I can't believe it, how is it possible today going down again very fastly. But let's see, my friends, to why they falls down in upcoming days. They're moving up, or they take a next jump, or they falls down. My friend, if you can see here this time 22.51% change occur in the last 24 hours. But this time, if you can see, after a very bad fall, they take a long jump, and after this, my friend, you can see here they again falls down, and after this fails they take again jump. So every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. After a jump they falls down, and after a fails they take a jump. So my all holder, the price is starting increasing now. 3.16% they going up. But I hope, my friends, today going up like a rocket in upcoming days. So please, Pundi X holder, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. So thank you so much, thanks again. Allah Hafiz, take care.